Hello, I'm Mr. Muskeluk, your AP Chemistry teacher at ChemAdvantage.
Here's a question that I had on the discussion board. Working in web assigned problems, those are the type of problems I assigned for my class. Students having to put in Avogadro's number a number of times, and the students using a TI-84, and that's a common calculator to use. And there is a fast way to put in Avogadro's number. Here, let me pull up the calculator. Oh, first, let me put up the problem. Here's the problem, probably, where we're dealing with Avogadro's number, the number of particles in a mole, 6.02, and on a TI, you're going to use E times 10 to the 23. And you've got to put that in here a number of times, so this is a good exercise. Let me pull up the calculator. And here's how I type it in. I'll put in the 6.02, won't need more than 3 significant digits, and times 10 to, of course, is a second function, E factor, and then 23. And then you've got it. That's the number. You could enter it, and there it is. In terms of saving it for something, well, you can store that value in a letter. You could do alpha n for Avogadro's number, or you could have just used x here if you didn't want to use a second function letter. And from now on, Avogadro's number is in that calculator until you change n. So if I had to put in Avogadro's number here on a WebAssign, I'd go 6.02 E23 because WebAssign prefers scientific notation done with this E notation. I'll submit and I'll get that green check mark from WebAssign. Indeed, there it is. And if there's a problem, let's say I needed to find out how many particles were in 2.02 moles, I would just type in 2.02 and you could put in times alpha n, or you could just type in alpha n, because TIs know that if you put a variable next to a number you're multiplying, there's your answer. So from now on this calculator, all I've got to do is type in alpha n. Or, again, I could have set it up as x, but I use x for a lot of other things. So I like to preserve Avogadro's number for n, the number.